the ALLATRA International Public Movement.
Thank you very much. My name is Veronika Leštachová. I'm ambassador of ALLATRA International Public Movement. Within the framework of democratic values and human rights, I wish to draw attention to a concerning phenomenon, the anti-cult movement. While this network often claimed to protect society from so-called dangerous sects or destructive cults, in reality, their activities frequently result in stigmatization, dehumanization, disinformation, and violations of the fundamental rights to freedom of belief and conscience. This is not merely an ideological debate, but a humanitarian concern affecting real individuals and families. Families are divided, individuals stigmatized, and communities silenced. Children, believers, and civil society activists are among the most affected. When state or semi-state actors adopt anti-cult rhetoric, it becomes a tool of exclusion and psychological pressure against those unable to defend themselves. Anti-cult narratives are connected to the Russian organization RASIRS, that is Russian Association of Centers for the Study of Religions and Sects, and through a broader network, influence religion far beyond Russia, including Europe, United States, and also Ukraine. Through so-called expert reports, often lacking transparency and academic rigor, they seek to influence ministries, courts, and law enforcement, embedding stigmatizing language into policy and legislation. A central tactic is the use of coordinated disinformation and reputational attacks that create fear and social isolation. Such activities constitute information terrorism, as recognized in UN General Assembly Resolution 77-298, which defines actions aimed at spreading fear and manipulating information to undermine societal stability. This highlights the serious psychological and humanitarian impact of these campaigns. In some cases, these activities have even received public funding. For example, European organizations were supported by public budgets while promoting narratives aligned with foreign ideological agendas. This raises concerns about accountability, transparency, and the use of public resources in ways that may undermine democratic principles. Anti-cult networks present themselves as defenders of society, but in practice undermine democratic pluralism and human dignity. Their activities contribute to disinformation, stigmatization, and the erosion of trust between citizens and institutions. We invite all interested participants to our site event on the 16th of October at 4 p.m. in the meeting room 2, where we will present documented concrete showing how this system operates in practice. Thank you very much.